On this episode of Beardy Car Bros, we're going to carry on working on the Escort. He's definitely slamming her, isn't he? He is. We met Steve-O's girlfriend. He won't admit she's his girlfriend, but he's definitely slamming her. Ow,
Boom, done. This has got CD. Oh, sick. Blank. Sainsbury's. Let's go. This is how you test it, full whack.
Yo, what you want to watch, man? You guys heard about that Javon tape? It's hot. I heard that when you watch it, some freaky stuff happens. Yo, I got the tape. Yeah. Put that on, man. Hurry up.
Okay, well, we've got a live recording of some sort of murder. Sweet. Possibly rape. Guess we'll fit this properly.
It's literally just going to... Look, watch, ready?
Sorry? Oh, yeah!
Now, because on Beardy Car Bros, we're poor. We don't have a paint shop, or a spray booth, or somewhere inside, or any kind of paint equipment. And we're doing the whole car on a cheap. So it's £32 on paint in total, and we're just going to rough up the top with some oxide paper and then spray it. That's literally it. We're going to do it as a rattle down. Should look sweet. If there is imperfections in it, like spiders' webs and shit, just keep spraying it until they disappear.
We're not even sure it's the white right. We just got
white.
the right white.
The correct white.
Fuck off. It's white, yeah.
Now, this way, no one can be blamed for the runs.
No one person.
Oh man.
It's gone over the pavement. Fill it in.
Fucking hell. Who fucking put this in?
Doesn't look even near the same white.
Aiden, need your help. Come and hold this air hose up. Yes.
Air hose. It doesn't feel like a very good idea.
It's fixed though. Don't know what you're fucking whinging about. How did we used to do this kind of shit out of Calgary?
Just
Like this?
like this and suicidal thoughts, I guess.
Oh, God. sausage inside one leg of a pair of thighs, take it in turns to tie the tights around your waist and aim the willy that is dangling between your legs into the neck of the bottle. Award points for sex appeal and precision.
Wow.
That sounds like good fun, actually, if I'm honest. It does. I'd definitely do that. It's Ford Escort, mate. Yeah, taking it. I was taking one, I've been taking it, I didn't take all my shit. You don't look sexual, mate, you know. Fucking side skirts. Now, in all seriousness though, they're real easy. If anyone tells you that you get specific ones for 3 doors and 5 doors, they're lying.
You liar!
They're all identical. They all originally were made for 3-door RS 2000s, and it's like a leftover stock. They fit the GTIs and shit. Just wedge it up there. Make sure you get underneath this rubber lip here. It's the weather strip. It stops rain and shit getting in. Drill a couple of holes. Self-tappers, screw them in, jobs are good and happy days.
Yep. Yeah, you like that, don't you, bitch?
Dude, you can stuff back off. You did. What the fuck was that? Hey!
Oh shit!
Do you have an idea what you're doing?
Look, fuck it. No!
Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Should be 8.
Look at this.
Oh, is that all fucking... Oh, what the... What the fuck? What the fuck? Mud flaps are supposed to stop the dirt.
It's starting to look sweet.